8 places to distribute your content for even more traffic. So you've got tons of content from your content marketing strategy, and you think you can now sit back and wait for search engine traffic to kick in. While you're free to do that, why bother waiting though? If you're proactive, you'll be able to make the most of your content marketing efforts. Tune into this presentation to find out where else you can distribute your content for even more traffic. Number 1. Email. If you're not capturing leads on your site, then you need to start now. If you've got an email list, you can easily send them an email anytime you've got new content up. You can drive people back to your site, and you can monetize your list anytime you want to. Number 2. YouTube. Repurposing your content into video should be a top priority for your brand. After all, YouTube is the second most visited site in the world, right next to Google. Number 3. Facebook. With over 2 billion active visitors every month, Facebook is the biggest social media network in the world. Building a strong presence on Facebook is essential for your brand. You can create a fan page or a group and invite your website visitors to follow you on the platform as well. Number 4. Twitter. Twitter looks deceptively simple. However, it's proven time and time again that it's a very powerful weapon that many brands use to drive traffic to their websites. If you're not yet on Twitter, don't worry, signing up is a breeze. Number 5. SlideShare. Repurpose your most popular content into a presentation and upload it to SlideShare. You don't need to be a PowerPoint whiz to do this. A pro tip is you can use templates, fill your content in, and upload to SlideShare. Number 6. Pinterest. Many think Pinterest is just a site for women. While it's true the majority of users are females, it's still an awesome site to get traffic, especially if you've got highly visual content. Number 7. Reddit. Do Reddit marketing correctly and you can expect tons of traffic to your content. However, a single mistake can get you banned or booted from the platform instantly. Number 8. Quora. Quora is an excellent platform to showcase your expertise. Give in-depth answers to people's questions. The great thing is, you can include links to your content. So if you show people you know what you're talking about, they'll be more likely to head on over to your website.